Now everything's on the computer, obviously, which I had. My mom now has iTunes because of me. I had to explain iTunes to my mom on the phone, which is the hardest thing I've ever done in my life. She wanted iTunes. I said, it's easy. Go online, find iTunes, download it, create a username and a password, and you have iTunes. And she said, are there spaces in that? She asked if there were spaces in a sentence I said out loud because she was typing it all into the browser bar. Just www. Go online, find iTunes, download it, create a username and a password, and was going to hit .com and fling it into the internet. Just, there's all the information. Bring me iTunes by the morrow. She hangs a lantern on her door. At one point she said, is there internet on iTunes? I'm going to hang up now, call you on your birthday. I don't want to do this anymore. You have asked an unanswerable question. Is there internet on iTunes? No, Mom, there's not internet on iTunes. To which she replies, should I cancel my internet? Well, that's actually the best idea you've ever had. You should cancel your internet. Then throw your computer out of a window and beat it with a stick. I would rather pay a band to play for my mom every night of her life than to explain iTunes to this woman one more time. I swear to God, she called me an hour later, and she goes, I downloaded a song. Is it supposed to open in Microsoft Works? No, Mom. No, it is not supposed to open in Microsoft Works. I don't even know how you made that happen. I'm not smart enough to be dumb enough to work backwards and understand the amount of things you did wrong in a row to open a song in Microsoft Works. Bill Gates couldn't open a song in Microsoft Works. The number of times your computer had to say, are you sure? And with confidence, yes! Why do you keep asking? The computer's like, I don't think we're supposed to be here, lady. So all that said, I did buy her an iPad because I'm an idiot. iPads are supposed to be user-friendly. She's not a user. An iPad has 2 buttons, and you don't even use one of them, and it blows her mind. She asked where the wireless router plugs into it. I'm going to need you to repeat that question, Mom. I'm going to need you to pay attention to every word in it. Wireless. They called it wireless. There's no... Wireless. They've done the work for you by calling it wireless. Outside of calling it, this ain't got no wires. They've done the most. If you bought something called wireless expecting it to have wires, I'd like to sell things to you.